You can actually start this simple business model just by creating AI model for small businesses and small brands. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Let me go to my gallery. All right, so these are AI generated models. I used a particular tool I'll be showing you as a result of this video to generate simple models like this. You can use it for brands, use it for small businesses. All right, so you can start this business just designing simple AI models like this for businesses and brand, and you charge them to pay you, even if it is 1,000 naira you are collecting. Now imagine if you can do 10 in a week. You can have clients who will pay you maybe 10 in a week. That means you're making 10,000 naira weekly. Right, so it's a simple business. So these are the raw files. All right, these ones are raw files. Okay, this one is a generated. I generated this one using this AI tool. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this, all right, with just your smartphone. Like I said, you can start a simple business model from there, creating AI model for businesses. So what we are going to be doing now, the first thing first you need is the image or the product you want to use. It's not image actually, the product you want to use. Let's say now, if you have a product, the product from maybe the vendor, or you have from the manufacturer, or whoever is giving you the contract to design AI model for them, then just tell the person to use his or her phone to take a bright picture of the product. But if you don't have the product handy, but you still want to use similar product to that, you can go to Pinterest. Where is Pinterest? Here, I have it here on my phone. Let me search it. This is Pinterest, and let's say we want to use, this is the one I used recently. All right, let's just erase that. Let's say we want to use a female handbag, female handbags. Let's say single, so that will be specific on what it would give us. Single and PNG. All right. All right, so okay, this is powerful. Let's say we are using this one. Now, if a customer or a client gives you a particular product like this, that you should create an AI model for this particular product, all you just have to do now, if the person sells you the product, you can use the product. But if you don't have it, you can come to this Pinterest and download a product like this. All right, so let's see if we can get another good one. This one is good. This pink is also good. Let's download it. So I hope you are seeing that the way I'm downloading it. So it's the same process to download if you want to download yours. Let's see another one that we can use. This one is also PNG. Let's use this one also. All right, so we have gotten our product we want to actually use. Now the next thing now we want to do is to go to the site where we'll be generating these images, these AI models. So we are going to be using Gemini. This is it here. Go to Play Store and download it if you don't have it on your phone. I believe it's also available for those using iOS, but for Android users, just go to Play Store and download it. This is the one I generated recently for that I showed you. So once you've downloaded it, installed it, you just have to sign up with a Gmail account. If you watch it, you see my email by the right hand corner. All right, so you have to sign up. Sorry, that's no. All right, okay, so you have to sign. All right, sorry, please. Let's wait for it to load. All right, so you have to sign up. Once you sign up, it will bring you to an interface like this. You have not created anything. So what you have to do now is to tap the plus icon. You tap on your gallery and go and select the image you want to use. Let's say we are using this particular one, for instance, the first one. Now let's say generate me, or generate for me, just use generate me a professional. I'm just trying to come up with a prompt, but you can use maybe ChatGPT to come up with a very catchy prompt that will give you a very catchy design. But I'm just trying to come up with a prompt. All right, so create me a professional AI model. Let's say yes, using this handbag, right? Handbag. Let's be a little bit specific, using this same handbag, right? Black, let's say black female model, black female model, right? Wearing, I'm just trying to come up with a prompt, wearing a dress that matches with the handbag, right? Okay, put so stop. Let the handbag be more visible, comma, the same, right? The same, let's say 100%, so that it won't change the product. 100%. And use a where is it lighted or lighted environment? Let's use lighted environment, right? Lighted environment. Let's just use this. Let's see what it will come up with. All right, so now we are waiting for it to generate what we asked for. Black female model. Okay, yes, it's there. I just give you a few seconds to load. My network is a bit bad this evening, so we just have to wait. Sure, here's the email. Wow, this is it. Then now let's, like for instance, now we want to add something that resonates to show the brand that is actually promoting this this product. Let's say now add the brand name on the background in let's say in the portrait. How do I spell portrait? Right, let me see if I'm correct. Portrait. Okay, portrait on the wall. All right, so this is the brand name. Let's say Susan. This is the brand name. Susan's, is that necessary? Susan's store. Let's use this as a brand name. All right, let's see what it will come up with. All right, so that is Susan's store, but that's not too bright. All right, but it's still okay. All right, it's still okay. But so this is it here. So all you just have to do now is to tap on it, and it will show you this download icon. If you're using your phone, you just tap on the download icon, and want to go, it will be downloaded to your file manager. All you just have to do is to send it to the client, or yes, to the client. Okay, so it's very simple to do. Now, like I said earlier, that if you have maybe even 5 or 10 people in a week that need these services, and you're just charging them just 1,000 naira for 10 people, that's 10,000 naira in a week. That will go a long way. All right, that will really go a long way. Okay, so I've just shown you how to go about it. Now the next thing you need to do now, which is very important, is how to start pitching yourself to businesses. So you can just go through your profile, you find those people who are always posting about their business, whatever kind of business they are doing. It doesn't matter, whatever kind of business, whether it's stockfish they are selling or whatever they are selling, you can tell them that you can create a very high catchy AI model for their business that will help them 10x their business, help them make more sales. All you just have to do is to have a good portfolio. Yes, you can create a portfolio using Google Doc. It's very simple to do. Create a portfolio using Google Doc and just create some of these AI models and upload them there and just leave there. Once you want to pitch to a client, you copy the link and you send to the client. Once the client goes through it, he or she will see everything you're doing and they'll be very much interested to buy your service. So you see, it's very simple to do. So I've told you on how to get client. Pitch to client. Don't wait for them to find you. You find those who are selling dry fish. Like, let's go back to the images I showed you earlier. All right, so this one here, sorry, yes, this is for dry fish. If you watch here, it's good. I just use Marco Food Store. So you can decide to tell the AI to put the brand name on the rubber. This one is for crayfish. You see, it looks very good. All right, this is also for crayfish. And so this is actually the how should I call this one now? The format I gave, the sample, actually the sample that it should use, and it used exactly the same rubber and everything. So you just have to pitch to client, tell them you offer these services, and you charge, maybe even if it's 500. You are not taking time within 1 hour. The only stress you have in this business is just to come up with the prompt idea. But once you have gotten the perfect way to write your prompt easily, you don't have to stress yourself. You can do even 20,000 in a day. 20,000, it will be too much. You can do even 10, 15 in a day for different businesses. So that is all on how to create simple AI model for businesses and brands. So in case you get any value from this video, I'll just urge you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we drop new videos. And if you have any question to ask, use the comment section. I'll be there to answer you swiftly. All right, I'll be seeing the subsequent videos. Bye for now. Thank you.